Okay, so here it is Monday. It's warmed up to above zero. We're looking at getting the 30s today, so I'm going to start this project. All this is for a jacuzzi tub upstairs, and I'm going to rewire it. Actually, what I have to do is run two wires, two separate wires, one for the heater and one for the pump. And that sits up under here. We went over this in the last video, but I've got to run two wires here, both GFCI. So as long as I'm running those two wires, what I'm going to do is put some lights in here. I'm going to put 4 lights in, and I'll put a switch over here, so we'll be running wires up through here. You can see the existing stuff is a mess. All I need is 15 amperes, and so I'm just going to run 14-2 wire up here, and I'll put a light up in here. I'll put another one up where the city water comes. I'll put one in here. You can see there was an old light. I'll put another one up in here somewhere. I'll be right up in there. And then we'll put another light up here. This is an old house. You can see that there was at one time knob and tube. So yeah, again, we'll be running a 15 amp circuit. I'm not gonna do a 20 amp, which requires 12-2. This is a basement, and it's never gonna be used for anything heavy duty. So if they ever do need an outlet, they can just screw in one of the plugs that go into a fixture. But you can see the old knob and tube, which is all dead. So anyway, I'll get after it and give you an update here in a bit. Okay, well, it took all day, but we got her done. Let there be light. Here we go. We got a switch right here. Ran our wire up over here. I still got to tack down some wires here, but I've still got 2 more. I've got to run it over here to the bathtub. But anyway, finally got some light in here. These are LEDs. You can now see everything. Coming back into here. You got a light up over here. Gives you plenty of light. We got a light in here so we can get to the water heater. There is a plug in here. I don't know who wired it. It wasn't me. That's just terrible. But there is a switch here. I'm not going to monkey with any of the old wiring. It's an abomination, to be honest with you. But I know all my stuff is up to the code that I can be. You've got stuff like this up here, which is very scary. But like I said, I don't want to touch it. So anyway, we got lights. So we got a lot of cleanup to do down here. And then I'm going to be running a couple more lines for the heater and for the hot tub along here. And then back to the panel. I'll need separate breakers for that. But anyway, we got her done.